Japan's cherry blossom peak kind of break the record. It's the earliest one ever in the history. The surprising thing is this record kind of started from 812. So it's over 1,200 years ago and started this records. And we can see over the 1,000 years, Japanese has a lot of statistics on this. Then we can draw a line. Every year is the peak of cherry blossom, and we found out the trend is the peak of a cherry blossom is like getting earlier and earlier. That means the weather is getting warmer and warmer. So the time they got blossom, it's just gets earlier. So this record is like from Kyoto. Kyoto is a ancient capital city of Japan. So it's kind of the focus of this record. And it started record is definitely like since 812 AD. A cherry blossom season is very important for Japan, both economically and culturally, because this is the very big thing is also the Japanese culture, right? And if you watch a lot of Japanese drama, animes, you can see their graduation ceremonies, they basically overlap with the cherry blossom season. So this thing it's kind of shocking to me, and I have noticed that because I was constantly watching some Japanese YouTube videos, and I found a lot of people mention that this year's cherry blossom is super early, and I didn't know this is even the earliest one in over 1,000 years. If it's just one time event, maybe you can say this is outlier. But if we do some statistics to some mean over past 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, we can see the trend. It's pretty obviously. What you can see from this graph, it just tells us that the trend, the shift from the originally in the Kyoto, it was like mid-April, the cherry blossom season. And now it's kind of gradually shifted to the earlier of the month of April a few decades ago. And now, recently, it's become the end of March. So it's kind of shifted over 2 weeks since the industrialization. So I think that's some warning for us. It's kind of implication for global warming. And definitely, if we just look at a temperature, average temperature in spring, we can definitely see this trend as well. So we can see there's really a trend that's going, and also this graph also shows the little ice age. You see the season of cherry blossom actually delay during the middle ice age. So I will say this is quite significant chart and interesting statistics. They show us the multiple aspect of global warming. All right, so that's the thing I want to share with you today, and super interesting records. I didn't know these records started from 120 years ago, and that's amazing. Definitely due to the importance of a cherry blossom to Japanese, so they kind of kept starting this records since very early on. All right, so if you would like to receive more technology, kind of these kind of trends, reviews like this, some of my random thoughts on many different technology things. Don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is really the best encouragement for me to make more videos like this. Other than that, I will see you next time.